Bathing Bee enhances their blog posts by adding links that direct visitors to supporting content, other pages on their site, downloadable files, email addresses, and even other blog posts. Though it seems a lot for a hive of bees to accomplish, it's actually so simple that just one bee could do it, or even a human. How'd they do that? Creating text, image, and button links follows the same process once you find the link function within the Elements dialog box, as with a button element or an image. To create a text link, highlight any text you've written in a text or title element that you'd like to use. Then click the link icon. From here you have many options. You can link to an external source, like an article on Wikipedia or a page that shows a picture of a cute monkey. You can also choose to have this link open in a new tab, so your site stays open in the original tab and your visitor can easily switch back to it. You can link to another page on your own site. You can link to a file, like a PDF or Word doc, so that if someone clicks the link, the file immediately downloads to their computer. You can upload a new file, or link to a file you've previously uploaded. You can link to an email address, which will automatically launch your visitor's external mail program like Outlook or Apple Mail. And you can link to any of your blog posts. Now you're all set. Just keep in mind these links won't do anything in the editor, but will be fully functional on the published site. Though once you've created the link, you can click on it in the editor, both to see where it goes and to make changes to it. And that's how you do that.